Welcome to the demo of our ChatGPT clone app. Well, saying it ChatGPT clone would be a little bit very tall claim because ultimately at the back end we are using only GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct as the underlying LLM. So this is just a kind of front end which is being developed. But it is sometimes such things are handy. So let us see first its demo. Let me run the app. You can see that it is running on port 5000 and I will click it, and here this is the app. Let me send one prompt. The whole prompt is pretty long, so I am reading it that you are an expert HTML developer. Give me code for multi-page landing page of a website which shows login screen and the password fields for the user who have already signed up. It should also have a link titled sign up for new users. On clicking which, a form should appear in a pop-up window with the fields first name, last name, email address, country, password, and confirm password. Use CSS to style the form. Keep all elements aligned centrally. The form should be using classic Windows 10 theme. Let me just submit. In this area, upper black colored area of uh, the window, the chat history will be saved. So after clicking submit, I can see that this kind of form is generated. One is login form, username and password with this login uh, window, rather button. And if not signed up, then sign up link is there, and first name, last name, and here CSS style, etc. Some error. It's not exactly error, I think, but it has included CSS style in it only. Okay, but I am not happy because if you see my prompt is clearly telling that elements should align centrally and there should be some colors in it. So I am removing the earlier part of the prompt and only keeping this much. I told you to keep all elements aligned centrally. Use CSS to style the form. Include CSS within the HTML file. Otherwise, you know that style sheets can be provided separately only. But within the HTML file also you can include the style tag. So using the style tag, this aligned centrally is again being repeated. So the form should use classic colors. Okay, Windows 10. Let me see if it also. More important is I don't need to see how HTML code will appear, HTML form will appear. I need HTML code output. Once code output is obtained, I can always store it in a text file and open with any browser to see if it is required or not, required output or not. Okay, it is still showing that it has now taken up the classic window uh, style looks, and maybe HTML file. Okay, even in the country it has provided some country by default, some message field it has added, though I did not ask it to add. Phone number field also it has added. Sign up form is there. So some improvement is there. Okay. Now the question is I need HTML code. So can I try it again? That was good, let us say, but give me HTML code for this form. Perhaps depends upon what model I have provided, may or may not be able to generate the code. Yes, somewhere here at least CSS code is seen. So far as HTML is concerned, I don't know. Okay, next time also it is generating this form itself. Maybe saving it by file save the page as on my desktop. Maybe it will have the code. So let us go to the desktop and open with Notepad. Yes, the code is there. I have not yet made it the focus of OBS. So in the OBS Studio, this is the HTML code. Now you can see that, for example, I am talking about myself, that being a data scientist, I often felt a little bit helpless of not being able to showcase my work. So develop model, even deploy it, they work. But what if I want to explain it to someone? For that user interface would be required. So I was never good at HTML or JavaScript. My main expertise was in backend machine learning algorithms, optimizing algorithms, and all those things. So this type of thing can work as a boon to us, and thereafter it is just a matter of iterating it further. Go on iterating, and it will go on giving better and better answers. And you can see how quick it is to give such a long answer. Of course, it has given both login page and the sign up page both on the same same for example, this is the pop-up sign up form, while this is the login form. Okay, so it has given in on the same page, but that's okay. I mean, in the in your app, provide a templates folder. Inside templates folder, put one login.html and paste this much code. Then create another note by ordinary text file called sign up.html and paste this code. So two different files are ready, and then you can just provide a link on one file to another file. Okay, so thank you, and that's it for this app.